Hello there, half-afters. Got some stuff to open up. I don't know if you see all this going on. Wanted to do a box opening. How about Half Aft Rocketry first box opening? Because that's what all the cool YouTubers do, right? I got some stuff in the old mail. I got some little stuff, this and that. And from various sources, eBay, HobbyLink. I'll tell you what. Let's see what this is first, shall we? Start small, maybe work our way big, huh? I betcha these are decals. Look at there. Tango Papa, huh? Give them a try. This is going to go on my 24mm Fat Boy. Think it'll fit? It might. It might be alright. They look like they're in good quality. I'm not sure if they're water slide or not. I have to do a test. Probably cut a piece out here or something and see if what it does in water. But yeah, those look good. I didn't get these direct from Tango Papa unless CMR Products LLC on eBay is Tango Papa, because I got those from eBay. I'd have to do some more investigating on that. Wasn't a bad deal, but I got them. Because I can't have the old fat boy looking too naked. Got it all painted, all shiny. Well, all right, what's next? How about this? Come on now. Oh, it's packaged like it's serious. Oh yes, this is the Lunchable. Merry Christmas up in here. Look at there. The Nitro, and it comes with the launch set. Now, that's going to be interesting. I remember these back in the day, around the early 2000s. 2006 right here. Yeah, we'll definitely get this probably a separate unboxing just to see kind of, let's go back in time, huh? To well, it seems to me like a few years ago, but we'll see what's in here on a different video. That came from BT Restoration off of eBay. So that looks like it's in good condition. Didn't break the bank. I think this one right here, I already opened this one just to make sure everything was there, so I had something to show to you. I think this one was HobbyLink. Yes. HobbyLink. Look at there. Got some F-15 4s, C-11 zeros. They had a bit of a sale going on. They have a sale every Friday. They change up their sales. But these were on sale. I wanted to get a couple of those. E16 4s. These are all the 29mm black powders. Probably Kato on me. We'll see how that goes. I never done one. I've done 24mm, but never 29 black powder. Got some F-20 4 White Lightnings. 29mm. I got some F-23 4 FJs. And some F-52 12Cs. And what the C I think stands for, yeah, classic propellant. FJ's Black Max. And I got some 24-40 reloads. E18 7Ws. White Lightnings. And wine, if you want some wine. Yep, I'm pretty sure this is a Hobby Link. They're my go-to usually for composites and Aerotech products, stuff like that. But I will say this, AC Supply, as of this recording, I want to say probably within the last week or two, they have started selling certain composite motors in the F and G range. So AC Supply is, of course, like one of the big dogs in the rocket supplier communities, especially online, because, you know, free shipping over $100, and they've got some of the better deal on Estes product. But now they sell Quest, they sell other stuff than Estes, but now they're selling these types. Not maybe the complete set, but I think they had like a G80 on there, but I don't see where they have every single delay on there. And I didn't see any reloadables, but they are starting to come on there, and the prices weren't too bad from what I can tell. Next, let's see what we got here. I already know what this is. And this is going to be interesting, because I'm going to make a video on this on itself too. I just want to see what the actual quality is. So I'm curious. Well, we're definitely stuffed real good. Check this out. How about you? 3D printed fin can, huh? And a 3D printed nose cone. It's actually not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. The fins got some weight to it though. That's the fins. It looks like the launch lugs that you can put on the side, or probably omit these, or you can use these as couplers. Maybe this is, nah, I'm wrong. This is the coupler. And this product came from a seller on eBay, Sheltech LLC. And it wasn't a bad price, and I've always wanted to try some 3D printed stuff. And this is for a BT60. So let's take this off, see what happens. What's this going to do? This just slide out? Nope, it unscrews. So it comes with its own retainer. And what's this? An adapter? That 24mm adapter? So I believe this is 29. Let's see. What do we got going on here? Yeah, that's 29, but it stops right there. I guess it's got a block in there. Ah, that ain't gonna work. No, that ain't gonna work. It's not with that load. Why'd you have to put a block in there, man? Why don't I block? Well, it might work with one of these. Yeah, that'll fit. And that's all you need. But the 4120 is not going to fit. Dang. But it's a BT60 kit. It's for you. What you need is you need the body tubes and your parachute and engines. And I'm thinking that these are lugs that you clip onto the somewheres. For some reason I thought the lugs were on the fins, but this will definitely be interesting. I'll make a video on this when I figure out exactly what I'm going to do with it. But I mean, other than that, the quality seems pretty decent. I mean, you're gonna, what do? Paint and prime the crap out of it. That's what we do. Paint and prime the crap out of everything. Last but not least, huh? Is this a fax machine? See what kind of kid I was during Christmas? I just tear stuff out. I just throw it around, man. What do we got here? Well, are we taped up here or what? Oh, it's taped. Nope. Ah, yes. The Mighty Mites. Now, this is from back in my day. I've got a whole another video that I'm going to be doing with what these go to. Because this collection, the Mighty Mites, which of course have been discontinued for a good minute, since the early 2000s. So look here, 1999. Centauri. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. Wasn't Estes Centauri for a while, or vice versa, something to that effect? I forget. Y'all let me know. But this, I pretty much got the whole collection of this now, and of course now I got the Super Shots, which were kind of hand in hand. Now these you needed a special kind of launch system that you'd buy with the Outlaw, and that was my first ever rocket kit, and that's what got me started into rocketry, was these type right here. So that has been the first ever box opening on old Half Aft Rocketry. Here's a BT-60 right here. That fit inside? I might do some sanding. I might do a longer thing. Yeah, definitely gonna do some sanding, but that's cool. So you can make a pretty good size kit, probably about the size of a Star Orbiter or something like that. And it comes with. Give me 1 second. Let's see here. This is my setup for engines. This is just a fishing tackle box drawer. Now, what am I doing? Is that 24 millimeter? Yeah, that's an adapter. Okay, and that also has a block in it. Dang it! What'd you put a block in there for, man? We need a block around here. We got a retainer. Okay, well, looks like we're kind of limited as to what we can use. So it's looking like this is a depowered kit. That's sticking out way too far. D and short 29s. That's pretty snug. If I was hardcore, I'd probably just drill it out or something. It's not fragile plastic, is it? Well, if I was to make that, I would not put the blocks in it. I'm very anti-block. So yeah, we got some new stuff. Keep this channel going. And I also just bought today that Estes was having their ding and dent sale. And I went ahead and bought, because I'm too cheap to pay for shipping, so I went ahead and bought more. I bought 2 of their mystery boxes. We'll see what kind of stuff I get out of there. So this has been a pretty good haul, I'll say. I'm not in debt to my eyeballs, but hey, that's a hobby for you. That's what you do with a hobby. You spend money. And of course I would like to share it with you guys. So I figured I'd do this little box opening, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Robbie D with Half Aft Rocketry, and I will see you again sometime.